reports in November that Google is working to merge ChromeOS into Android, and now finally a Google executive has officially confirmed the company's intent to combine the two platforms. Samat, president of Android ecosystem at Google, was asked by Tech Radar journalists while they were using an Apple Watch, iPhone, and MacBook. He said, "This is the first time that Google has publicly acknowledged plans to merge the two platforms." He did not give any details about the initiative, but it was previously reported Google plans to migrate Chrome OS over to Android rather than combining the two to create an all new platform. It is interesting to note Samrat asked people about their laptop usage, and in context of this initiative, this suggests Google is still looking ways to improve the project ahead of its release. Google plan to merge ChromeOS into Android also comes as Android gains several features for large displays. These additions include proper desktop mode, desktop windowing, improved external display management features, and improved app adaptability. At the time when about half of all the polled users told that companies should merge ChromeOS into Android, a sizable readers felt it's a bad move that Google should not be trusted to pull it off.